Hello, my graphic designer entrepreneurs. How are you? Are you facing this error in Canva? There was issue at our end. Try again. Issue on our end. At least they're accepting their mistake. Okay, so how to fix this? First of all, try to refresh your page, your web page, and see if it is fixed or not. Sometimes this error comes in the browser when you are designing on the browser. So if you download the Canva app, then most of these issues are automatically resolved. So you can download it like that, search it on Google and then click on download here and just install it. And if not, then you can try to disconnect from the Wi-Fi and connect it again. Or if you have any other Wi-Fi, then try to connect to those Wi-Fi's and try it. If none of that works, then you should do what I do. Just wait for some time, give it some time, and the issue is automatically fixed. So that's all. So don't forget to leave my like and subscribe the channel. Bye.